My camera needs a charge. Okay. Guys, let's start. Let's start. Let me fix my boob. Oh, that's a bra. That's a bra, you guys. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we are day 343. It is Wednesday, June 19th. It's Juneteenth. Big up yourself, all the African Americans out there who are celebrating this holiday, this independence, this emancipation. Emancipate yourself from mental. Okay. Big up on yourself. Big up all I know. I'm a huge supporter of this day. I am proud of all of you. If you don't know what this day represents, I want you to look it up and learn. Yes. All right. So on to the slackness. So today I was on Twitter and somebody I followed tweeted a tweet amongst the lines of, do women pay for nudes? Like that was the premise of the tweet. Like, you know, do women send men money for a dick pic or a video or whatever? And to which somebody else that I follow responded like, women don't pay for nudes. If you are selling your nudes, it's a man who's buying it. And to which I responded literally, because that is the facts. Women do not need to pay for pictures or videos of men's private parts. It just comes whether we ask for it or if it's unsolicited. And if you are a woman who's paying for said pictures and videos, I want you to stop it right now. I want you to tap into your feminine prowess, into your feminine wiles, and understand that the men are easy. Okay, so yesterday I did a video on how to approach girls for a threesome, right? And the thing is with girls are very much more, and this is from me, from like a bisexual standpoint, because I actually like women, because I actually appreciate women. It's actually kind of harder for me to talk to women and to finesse, in a sense, women. Yes, I am, and I portray myself to be, and I tell myself that I am the more dominant one when it comes to women. But I also don't prowl. Is that the word? I've been drinking. I don't know. I don't push. I don't aggravate the girls. You know, I take my time and I learn the muse. You know, when it comes to men though, men are easy. And then living in this society where men get everything they want whenever they want, and they do whatever they want to do because boys will be boys, right? Yeah, so do we pay for nudes? No. Do we send men money because they sent us a video or a picture that they took zero effort into making or taking? They just sit there or stand there and give you this lackluster performance, and you're either intrigued because you actually like this person, or you're like, okay, why are you sending me this? We don't need to pay for it, darling. We really don't. And then my fan is on. I forgot to turn the fan off. I'm sorry if you're hearing the fan in the background. But living in a society where we're told, oh, you need to, you know, respect yourself more, and don't post yourself in certain ways, and don't say certain things or do certain things because you're a girl. So when it comes to men and their nudes, the girls are not paying for it. The girls are not going to send you $20 because what? You flicked your willy? No. Like with girls, when they're sending nudes, when we're sending pictures or videos to our men, we're making sure that the lighting is perfection. Like right now, the sun is setting. I'm trying to film this video before the sun sets because this is my second drink, and you know what? I haven't been drinking in a while, so it's really hitting. But we're making sure that the sun The lighting is to perfection. We're making sure, why is my battery dying? We're making sure that we're getting the proper angles to make sure that you are happy and satisfied with the production that you're being given. But men, so no, we're not paying for nudes. We will never pay for nudes. And if you are a woman who's paying for nudes, please stop it right now. Please stop it. Please, please, please. I'm begging you. I'm on my hands and knees begging you to stop paying for nudes. The people who are paying for men's videos and pictures are other men. Pornhub is free. And I feel like a lot of us girls, well, maybe it's because I'm bisexual, I prefer, well, let me not get into the type of porn I prefer. That's for another video. But yeah, no, we're not paying for nudes. No, we're not paying for videos. We're not gonna send you $20 or $40 because you decided to pull your dick out in the most unattractive, innovative, non-innovative way possible. But yeah, my battery is dying. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry if I popped anybody's bubble. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.